Roswell Flight Test Crew, back here at CES 2018 in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm speaking to Lucy Chen at the Walkera booth. How you doing, Lucy?
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
I'm doing good, thanks. Now, you've got a new aircraft here at the show. What is it?
Yeah, it's a quadcopter, foldable design quadcopter named the Voyager 5.
Voyager 5. All right, tell me a little bit about it.
Yeah, first of all, it's foldable design. You see here, you can quick assemble and disassemble the propeller, and you can the leg and the arm, everything you assembled within just 1 minute. Under 60 seconds, you can do everything prepared. This is the top key design by Walkera for the Voyager 5. It's very unique and very foldable and easy to carry. This is number one. And number two, the drone can fly in over 30 minutes. It's widely used for the power line wires inspection.
So it's built for inspection. What kind of camera do you have on the Voyager 5?
The standard option here is 30 times optical zoom camera. It's 4K and high resolution.
What other payloads can you put on it?
You can also use a thermal camera, the starlight camera. Now we come use the 30 times optical zoom camera is the best one.
So how long can it fly for?
With the camera, it can fly over 30 minutes.
And I notice it has 3 batteries. What's going on with that?
Yeah, the 3 battery, that's why they can carry the payload and also can last 30 minutes and to 40 minutes flying time.
Any other features we should be aware of?
There is a front avoidance in the front. So when you have an obstacle in front of you, the drone can feel that and make a change. There is a 2 GPS, and also the control range can reach to 3-kilometer range.
And then I couldn't help but notice when I sat down that you got a little black box in your lap here. What's that all about?
Yes, I have a question for you. Sometimes, normally, if you have radio control and you have your tablet or your smartphone, when somebody calls you, what happens?
Well, you're in trouble.
Yeah, that's what we design here. If somebody calls you, and for this drone, we were going to use this radio control, and there is a screen here, the all-in-one injection that put everything inside here. So you just open the box, and it's portable, also can into your pocket. This is first, it's very easy, simple design, and put the screen here, you can get the live video, no interruption from your smartphone.
Very cool, and very compact too. Easy to carry with you on the job site.
Yes, right.
All right. Well, from CES 2018 in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada, this is the Roswell Flight Test Crew signing off. Thanks again. Roswell Flight Test Crew back at...
Relax.